Hi everyone, it's Becky and I'm excited because it is time now to select the winners of the Born Pretty product giveaway. Thank you for everyone who subscribed and watched the video and then left a comment to enter the giveaway. I have 4 contestants here that are going to be entered into the drawing. I'm just going to show real quick. We got Erky's World. Thank you so much for entering. I love your swatching videos. You inspired me to pick up a couple of different nail polish brands that I've never used before, which hopefully I will feature on my channel at some point. And we also have Kay Morisu. I apologize if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Thank you so much for your comment and also for entering. Then we have Alea Brown. Again, I so much appreciate that you are subscribed to my channel and watching my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then Hunch of Savage 9, which is Maria. If you're not subscribed to her channel, go ahead and do that, as well as Erky's World. Check them out. They have some great how-to videos and haul videos. But this video is all about Born Pretty, and I'm going to have 3 winners, and I created 3 separate prize boxes. And they are filled with goodies and surprises. Majority of it is from Born Pretty, just a few off items that I selected too that I had purchased with my own money. And then thank you again to Born Pretty for providing a lot of products for the video and for the giveaway. So what I'm gonna do, originally I was gonna do this with a computer kind of generated spin wheel, but we're gonna skip over that because I only had the 4 contestants to enter. So I'm just going to put them in the little Easter eggs that I have here so that they will not get all jumbled up together or tangled up when I mix them. So this is the only thing I have. I don't have those little balls, but I do have these Easter eggs to put in. And I'm just going to fold up these 4. And I have some new videos coming out with some more Born Pretty products. And also, I'm not quite sure the direction of my channel at this point. July, again, is a busy kind of month for, family events. My sister's birthday, my mom's birthday. My dad has a big celebration that we're taking part in as well. So I won't be posting for about a week, but I do want to get these items out to the winners. And one of the things, too, is that when I select the winners, then I am going to also put in my description box, again, my email address. It's the bfoxynails@gmail.com. If your name is selected, just email me shoot me a quick email. I'm going to keep your information private. Send me your mailing address, and I will get these packages out to you hopefully before I leave for vacation. If I don't hear back from you in about a week, I will have to just redraw a new winner, and actually, I guess by default, it'll be the other individual that doesn't get selected for these 3 giveaway boxes. So I have a bag here, and I'm going to actually have my daughter help me with pulling out the selection of winners. So I'm going to place these little Easter eggs in here, and all 4 of them are in there. I don't know, can't really see, but they're all in there. I'm going to move my little fox out of the way here for a second. And then what we're going to do is just kind of hold this like that. And you just shake it up really good like this. And then we will have one of my daughters come on over and select the very first winner for me and put it right here. Thank you. Okay, the first winner in one of the prize boxes from Born Pretty is Erky's World. Congratulations, Erky. Okay, we're going to set that over there. And then the next one is going to be, go ahead and pull out the next full egg in there. All right, second winner is Kay Morisu. I am so excited for you. All right, I cannot wait to give you these prizes, and then we'll do the last one. Thank you. All right, final winner for the giveaway. Oh, very good. Leah Brown. Congratulations. So all 3 of you are winners. All 3 of you have 1 week to email me to my bfoxynails@gmail.com email address and let me know your shipping information, and I will send the packages out to you. I want to wrap them up, and they're again filled with Born Pretty, majority of it Born Pretty goodies. And thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll do another giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. Have a great day, everyone.